Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to convert an infix expression into a postfix expression using stack. So this is an infix expression in which the operators are present in between the operands. A and B are operands and the plus is the operator. So this is an infix expression, and then this is a postfix expression because the operators are present on the right hand side of the operands. So we have to convert this whole expression into postfix using stack. So first of all we will take a stack, and then we will take or push all the elements one by one into this stack, and the operators are also having their precedence. Like this power symbol is having greater precedence than all these four symbols. The multiply and divide is having greater precedence than the plus and minus symbol, and the multiply and divide symbol is having same priority, and the plus and minus symbol is also having same priority, but plus and minus is having lower priority than the multiply and divide symbol. So the rule for doing the infix expression into postfix expression conversion is, if we encounter any opening bracket or the operators, any operator plus, minus, multiply, divide or any operator, then we will push the bracket also into the stack, the operators also into the stack. And if we encounter any variable or any operand, then we will store it into the answer. And if we encounter any closing bracket, then what we will do? We will pop out elements from the stack and then evaluate the expression. So let's solve this. First we are encountering this opening bracket. So we will push it into the stack. Then the operand, we will push it into answer. Then the operator minus into the stack. Then B into the result. Then divide into the stack, because divide is having greater precedence and it is on the top of the stack. Then no need to pop out elements. Then C. Then we are encountering closing bracket, so we have to pop out elements. Divide, then minus. Then multiplication symbol. Then A, operand, divide symbol. Then K into the answer. Then minus. But minus is having lower priority than the multiplication division. So we have to pop out elements. Division is popped out. Then we will insert minus. Then L into the answer. Then closing bracket. So we will pop out the remaining elements. Minus and then multiply. Minus and then multiply. So this is the answer of converting the infix expression into postfix expression. Now let's code it. First of all, I have made a precedence function to calculate the precedence of the operators. So if the operator is this, then we will return 3. I will tell you afterwards why I have written 3. If character is equal to multiply or C equal to divide, then return 2. And if C equal to plus or minus, then return 1. Else no operator will be present. So return minus 1. I have taken this 1, 2 and 3 because as this operator is having greater priority, so we will compare. If 3 is greater than 2, so 3 we will solve first. If 2 is greater than 1, it will be greater only. So 2 will be solved first. That's why I have taken 3, 2, 1. And for minus 1, no operator will be present, so it will return minus 1. Now the main function infix to postfix. I have taken a string format because the input will be string only. And I have taken a stack of data type char and named it st and a string result, in which we will store the result. Now we will traverse the whole string till the length of the string. Now we will check if s of I, s is the string s. If s of I equal to a and s of I, sorry, not equal to, is greater than equal to a and s of I is less than equal to z, or s of I is greater than capital A and s of I is less than equal to z, then we will push it into the answer because they are the operands. Z plus s of I. Then else if s of I is an opening bracket, we will push it into the stack st dot push this opening bracket. Then if s of I is the closing bracket, now we will check whether stack is empty or not. If the stack is empty, then we cannot perform any operation. St dot empty. If it is not empty and the top of the stack is not equal to opening bracket, then only we will perform this operation. If there is closing bracket, then what I have told you, we will pop out elements and then we will evaluate the expression. The top element will be popped out. We will go to the top element and then add it into the result. Then we will pop out the element till it is empty. St dot pop. Now else the final one. While not st dot empty, and we will check the precedence. The precedence of st dot top is greater than the precedence of s of I. Then only we will perform this expression. We will store it into the result. St dot pop. Like in this function, we are checking the precedence of the operators. Like if we encounter 2 and if 2 is greater than 1, for example, here minus operator we are encountering, then only this expression will be evaluated or the further calculation will be proceeded. And if not, the else statement will not be performed. So this is completed, and now we will check if there is any symbol or operator present into the stack. Then we are pushing it into the answer. And then we are popping it. And then finally we are returning result. Let's run this. Oh, return 1 minute. Some brackets are missing, I think. As of I, yeah, I'll write here also one bracket. This thing is one bracket. Okay. Oh, st dot top. I have not written the function because it is a function. See, you will also encounter these type of errors while solving. See, we got the answer. This only we got while solving. A, B, C divide minus A, K. See. So this was the solution for converting an infix expression into a postfix expression. Thank you.